Good morning, students. Today we have to discuss regarding the changing role of public sector enterprises. After independence, there was a need of rapid economic and social development to solve the problem of poverty, unemployment, literacy, and regional imbalance in economic growth. The private sector was unwilling to invest in projects which required heavy investments and had long gestation periods. Due to that ground, the government come forward and established number of public sector enterprises for the above ground. The basic reason or rationale of giving dominant role of public sector is discussed as follows. Development infrastructure. Infrastructure refers to all such activities and facilities which are needed to provide different kinds of services in an economy. Poor infrastructure facilities hamper the economic growth. In order to achieve rapid industrialization, the country required sound infrastructure. Then number 2, regional balance. Regional balance means give equal importance to all the areas of the countries. That means even if you give more importance on backward and hill areas to establish industries and companies. Backward regions lack infrastructure facilities and private sector is not keen to set up industry in such regions. As a result, industry tend to centralize in certain regions of the country. The government is responsible for developing all regions and the states in a balanced way and removing regional disparities. Government aims to locate enterprises in backward regions to reduce regional disparities. Then economy of scale. Public sector is required to establish large scale industries like power plants, natural gas, petroleum industry, etc. These units need huge capital outlay to take advantages of economy of scale, which is possible only only government resources and mass scale production. Then number 4, check over concentration of economic power. In the private sector, there are very few industrial houses which invest in heavy industries. It leads to concentration of wealth in few hands. Such private monopolies give rise in inequalities in income, which is discriminatory to society. As a result of public ownership and control of large-scale business enterprises, the income and benefits that accrue are shared by a large number of employees and workers. The prevent concentration of wealth and economic power in the private sector is possible only through entrance of the public sector enterprises. Then import substitution. Every economics aims to be self-reliance in all aspects. For this, it is very important to have sufficient foreign exchange reserves. Public sector enterprises help in achieving these objectives. Public sector started manufacturing capital goods like heavy machinery which were imported earlier. Moreover, many public sector companies like STC, MMTC, NTPC, etc. played an important role in expanding export of the country. Thus, public sector played an important role in import substitutions and increasing exports. Next is your government policy towards the public sector since 1991. The Government of India introduced 4 major reforms in the public sector in its new industrial policy in 1991. They are restructure and revive potential viable PSUs, close down PSUs which cannot be revived, bring down government equity in all strategic PSUs to 26% or lower if necessary, fully protect the interest of workers. In order to achieve these elements, the government took following steps: reduction in number of industries and reserve for the public sectors, disinvestment of shares, some policy of risks and units as that in the private sector, and a memorandum of undertakings. These are the role of public sector enterprises in our country. So next period we have to discuss the next chapter, that is your service sector, that is business services. That is about today. Thank you. Have a nice day.